Good morning students. This video session is for class 2nd students. Subject Reasoning. Chapter number 17. Compound words. The name of the chapter is Compound Words. This is our lecture number 1. So let's start. What do you mean by compound words, beta? Here, compound words are formed when two or more words are joined together to create a new word that has an entirely new meaning. Okay? So here beta, what do you mean by compound words? Compound words वो words होते हैं जो दो या दो से ज़्यादा words से मिलकर बनते हैं. When two or more words are joined together, जब दो या दो से ज़्यादा words को हम क्या करते हैं ज्वाइन कर देते हैं तो हमें एक नया वर्ड मिलता है. ठीक है. एंड दैट हैज एंटायरली अ न्यू मीनिंग, और उसका बिल्कुल अलग मीनिंग होता है, उन दोनों वर्ड से अलग मीनिंग होता है. ओके, सो दैट आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जाम्पल sun and flower are two different words. Okay, but when used together they form compound word sunflower. Okay, जैसे sun और flower दो different words हैं बेटा, जब हम इन दोनों words को इकट्ठे मिला देते हैं, ठीक है, तो sun का मतलब क्या होता है? सूरज. flower means फूल. Okay, and when we use it together it becomes sunflower, and sunflower means सूरजमुखी का फूल. ओके, तो इसका बिल्कुल ही डिफरेंट मीनिंग बन जाता है. ओके, सो दीज आर कॉल्ड कंपाउंड वर्ड्स. नाउ बेटा, these compound words, how we can solve the questions of these? If we have compound words, we can make many small words with the help of these compound words. अगर हमें compound words दिए हुए हैं और हम उस compound words से बहुत सारे छोटे छोटे words बना सकते हैं. So let's see how we can make words from the compound words. Okay, here in example number 1, find hidden words in following compound word. यहाँ पर हमें एक compound word given है बेटा, and we have to find out the hidden words from that compound word. Okay, so the verb is HOME, home, WORK, work, home, work. Okay, now we have to see how many hidden words are there in this compound word. Okay, so here the first word is home. Okay, so first of all we will write home, HOME, home. Okay, the second word, that is work, so here we will write WORK, work. Okay, and another word we can make? Yes, like okay, O and K, okay. Okay, now the next word is whom, WHOM, whom. ठीक है. Now the next word we can make he, H and he. Now the next word is room, ROOM, room. Hero, HERO, hero. And hook, 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 hook. So beta, I have told you that from this one word, homework, this compound word, we have made these words. Okay, and we can also make many more words from it. So now I am giving you some questions based on this. You have to find out the hidden words. Hidden मतलब छुपे हुए words जो हम इस compound word से बना सकते हैं. Okay, so let's see. Now beta, today's homework. Find 4 hidden words and following compound words. So beta, in these questions you have to find out four hidden words. Hidden words means छुपे हुए words. ठीक है, आपने हर पार्ट का फोर हिडन वर्ड्स जो है वो फाइंड आउट करने हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी व्हाट इज गिवन इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1. इट इज गिवन हनी बी, HONEY, honey, BEE. Now you have to write four hidden words. Okay, here. Now in question number 2, it is given independence. Okay, independence. Now here you have to write the four hidden words. Okay, now in question number 3, it is given that lady finger, LADY, lady, FINGER, finger. And here beta, you have to write the four hidden words. Okay, now question number 4. In question number 4, it is given butterfly, BUTTERFLY. Okay, butterfly. This is the compound word. Now you have to write the four hidden words here. Understood, beta? Now in question number 5, it is given rainbow. And here you have to write four hidden words. Understood, beta? Now, homework solution of chapter number 16, unique fruits, lecture number 3. Okay, now beta, I am going to show you what is the solution of chapter number 16, unique fruits. So here in homework solution, I had given you unique fruits name. So in question number 1, it was given unscramble the following words to get the name of unique fruit. Okay, so here in A part it was given RAST, rust, FRIUT. Okay, now we have to make the correct name of the fruit. And what is the correct name of this fruit? That is STAR, star, then FRUIT, star fruit. And do you know what is star fruit, beta? Here I am showing you the picture of this. This is the star fruit, beta. Okay, so what is the answer? That is star fruit. Okay, now beta, in B part it is given AVOCGOA. Now we have to make the correct fruit name by using these letters, and the name of the fruit is avocado. And what is the spelling, beta? AVO, avo, CADO, avocado. Now I am going to show you the picture of avocado. ऐसा लगता है बेटा avocado. Okay, this is the picture of avocado. Okay, now answer, we will write AVOCADO, avocado. Now in C part, it is given KIIW. Okay, now we have to unscramble and we have to make the correct fruit name, and that is the kiwi. KIWI, kiwi. Okay, and now I am going to show the picture of this. This is kiwi. Okay, beta, these are the pictures of kiwi. Now we will write answer KIWI. Now in question number D, it is given FRIUTDRAONG. Now we have to make the correct fruit name, and that is the dragon. DRAGON, dragon, and fruit, FRUIT, dragon fruit. Okay beta. And how is dragon fruit? कैसा लगता है बेटा? That is like this. This is the dragon fruit. Okay beta. Now we will write its answer. Dragon fruit. Okay. Now in E part, it is given CUSARDT Now from this, we have to make the correct fruit name, and that is the custard. 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 Apple. APPLE. Custard apple. Okay. And this is the picture of custard apple beta. इस तरह से दिखता है custard apple. Okay. Now we will write its answer. CUSTARD custard. APPLE apple. Custard apple. Thank you.